How's it going, everybody? So in this video I'm going to show you guys a veiny hand and forearm workout. Again, it will help to get your veins in your hands and your forearm popping. The exercise is going to be pretty simple to do, but pretty tough to do at the same time. So basically what we do is we get our hands like this, and then we just raise our forearms up and down like this. So we will do that for 20 reps. Comment in the description box, let me know how many you guys done. It will start to burn after a while, so you can do 30 repetitions. We'll do 30 reps. Let me know how your wrists, how your forearms, how your hands are doing after that. So let's go 30 reps. And again, one rep is considered up and then down. That's one rep. That's 5, 6. Make sure you're going all the way up too. This is all the way up. None of this. All the way up. Keep your forearms straight, or keep your arms straight too. None of this, even though I was doing that for a bit. Arms completely straight. But again, comment in the description box if you can do more than 30 reps. That's fine. Do it. And yeah, take a little bit of a break, recover, and then we will do it again, you guys. Oh, another cool thing too is me and my wife and the dog, we are moving. So that is actually pretty cool, you guys. So there will be no more videos in about a month. No more videos in this setting. There will be a completely different setting. Much bigger house. It's actually going to be double the size of this house. Literally double the size, square foot wise. Which is going to be absolutely huge. And I will have my own office. This is just a bedroom. I actually don't mind working in bedrooms. I prefer working in a bedroom. And my whole office is literally just like one desk in the corner of a bedroom. That's it. So let's do another 30 reps. Enough of me talking. And this is what it looks like from the side. Boom, just like that. 60 total repetitions. Very good, you guys. And yeah, end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylan Berg, 999. Thank you.